stocks, bonds, crypto. What should you really invest in? Not sure where to start investing? Confused by stocks, scared of crypto, or bored by bonds? Let's break it all down, in plain English and good vibes only. Investing doesn't have to feel like rocket science. Whether you're a total newbie or already dabbling, this guide will help you understand the three biggest types of investments: stocks, bonds, and crypto, and how to choose what's right for you. Section 1. What are stocks? A stock is a tiny piece of a company. If you own Apple stock, you literally own a small part of Apple. When the company does well, you benefit. When it tanks, ouch, you feel it too. Stocks are high risk, high reward. But long term, historically, they grow. Section 2. What are bonds? Bonds are like lending your money to someone for a return. Usually, you're loaning to a government or company. They pay you back with interest over time. Less risky than stocks, but less exciting too. They're great for stability and older investors. Section 3. What about crypto? Crypto, digital money built on blockchain. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are some big names. It's volatile, like up one day, crashing the next, but it's also opened doors for huge gains and massive losses. Only invest what you're okay losing. Section 4. Comparison table. Which is right for you? So, which one should you go for? Let's compare all three side by side. Mix and match depending on your goals. A bit of each. That's called diversification, and it's smart. Section 5. Where to start investing? Start small. Seriously. Use apps like Robinhood, Stash, eToro, Moomoo, or Luno for crypto. For bonds, check with your bank or government portals. Don't rush. Educate yourself and build slow. Section 6. Pro tips. Mistakes to avoid. Pro tip. Always invest money you don't need next month. Mistake to avoid: FOMO, fear of missing out. Just because it's trending doesn't mean it's right for you. And whatever you do, don't put your rent money in crypto. Whether you go with stocks, bonds, or crypto, the key is to start and stay consistent. And remember, investing isn't just for the rich, it's for the smart. If you learned something today, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart money content, and drop a comment. What's your first investment going to be?